So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get engagement on Instagram and increase your reach in 2020. So if you're struggling to get engagement, I'm going to give you the perfect formula or the perfect strategies on how you can increase your reach and your engagement. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials and I show you how you can start making money and start getting more followers on Instagram. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, as you could see on the screen guys, so again, whenever you're writing a post, write big captions. Okay, I mean big as in long captions, so people can read it. Okay, that's the first thing, so people can relate to you. So there's a formula for Instagram which is AVR, attention, value, and it should be relatable. So one more example is, let's say this is in the travel niche. Okay, so whenever you're posting a photo, make sure you need to ask a question to your followers. Okay, tag who you'd stay here with. Okay, so people will start tagging their friends, their wives, their girlfriends, and as you know, the more people like and comment on your post, okay, so the Instagram algorithm tries to push your post on the explore page, as well as more people can reach. So again, just remember that, use Instagram algorithm on your benefits. So start using, so basically just ask questions in your captions. Okay, try to get more likes, comments on the first few hours. What you could do is post your Instagram post on your stories, send it to your close friend list. If you have an engagement group, go figure out, create an engagement group, and just start posting over there. So that's it. And guys, if you would like to learn more about this, I've created a free Instagram course. I show everything in it, how to create the best profile picture, how to create the best bio, everything's inside there. So go check it out, it's free to join. And that's it for today.